Hey guys, we received this KAUGIC ear wax removal kit for test and try. So this is a ear cleaner with a easy one hand use with a built-in tank, waterproof, 4 modes, and let's check this out how this work. So this comes with uh, like the ear wax cleaner and also have a sensor for the water that I will show. This earbuds, charging cable, or the extra ear plugs thing. So this ear wax removal thing, this is the ear cup. So there you can charge this first with a supplied micro USB-C cable. So this have a sewage tank and a clean water tank. So this have the both for collecting and the using it, and then also have the extra tips. So like if different people or you want to use a different tip that you can use with that. So here just rotate. So these are the soft tips, so that you can just rotate, take this out, and then you can change with the other one. So this is the hole to collect the dirty water from the earwax. So I'm just charging it, so it shows the charger. When the water is at the nominal temperature, you see the green light, that means is to go, the water is ready. So once you put it in your ear like a ear cup, you can select the mode with the soft normal pulsing and the strong pressure. It will just wash in your ear and collect the water in that pitch. So you can see so the pressure I feel is normal because I'm just keeping it at a soft one. This is the button that I'm using, and you can choose as a soft, normal and strong, or the pulse. So 4 modes and easily clean in the air. Initially it will take time, and then you can just collect or throw the water from it from the sewage thing. Overall it's a nice earwax removal, and it's nice working with the sensor.